Daniel Tiger's neighborhood. Daniel gets scared. Hi, neighbor. It's raining. Oh, the owl is here to play. We're splashing in the puddles. Splash! We like to jump in puddles together. 1, 2, 3, jump! Splash! Splash! We hear thunder. It's loud. It's scary. Time to go inside, calls Mom. Did you have fun? Mom asks. It got dark and then we heard a boom and we got scared, I say. There's something I do when I'm scared, says Mom. What do you do? I ask. When you are scared, says Mom, close your eyes and think of something happy. I close my eyes and think about playing with Tiggy. Playing with Tiggy makes me happy. I feel less scared now. Oh, the owl closes his eyes. He thinks about books. Books make him happy. He feels a little less scared now. Boom! We hear more thunder, and it scares us again. What did your mom say to do when we're scared? Asked Oh the owl. When you are scared, close your eyes and think of something happy, I said. I'm thinking about books, says Oh the owl. And I'm thinking about playing with Tiggy. We feel less scared now. What makes you happy? When you're scared, close your eyes and think of something happy. Ugga mugga!